Hello. So today we are going to play a fun game. It's called Peck or Whack. So yes. तो आज हम लोग एक दूसरे को या तो बहुत प्यार देने वाले हैं या बहुत मार देने वाले हैं. So the rule of the game is that both of us have a list of five questions and pre-written answers. हम एक दूसरे से will ask questions. अगर तो आंसर ठीक है so then we will give each other a peck. और अगर गलत है so we are going to whack each other with this. तो let's see क्या होने वाला है. तो and a very important part of the rule is that you will not get more than 5 seconds to think of. 5 seconds के अंदर you should
टिक टिक 1 टिक टिक 2 टिक टिक 3 टिक टिक 4 टिक टिक 5 खत्म.
1 2 3 4 5
ऐसे
and
टिक टिक से
then
ज्यादा
बस.
प्रेशर मिलता है.
तो ठीक है. मैं easy जा रही हूँ. Why you do this thing?
So I'll start.
Okay. So
what was my first project that gave me money? जिससे मैंने पैसे कमाए.
If I have to think rightly, it's not your modeling. It was way back when you were in school. You had done one mela, and that was the first time you had made money doing something. Because you always say कि मतलब हमने बहुत पैसे बनाए थे and हमने एक मेला organize किया था. I think it was a 7th standard or something. I'm not sure, but it was in school when you did this mela and you had made money.
So my first project was NIS Computers.
This is party! Oh my god!
I earned I think 10,000 rupees in that.
एक second, but
वो मेरा पहला काम था जो मैंने किया था. बाकी तो दिवाली मेला और ये मेले में
अरे
तो
ये
क्या
तो
काउंट
cheating
होता है
है.
यार.
He used to always
फर्स्ट
tell me
प्रोजेक्ट अरे फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट मतलब मेरे लिए फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट था क्या. मैं
तो नहीं,
तंबोला
but-
खिला रहा हूँ. मेरा फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट वो नहीं था. My first project
you
was
had नहीं, but जब हम बात करते हैं then you say कि अरे तब मैंने किया था.
अरे तब तो बैंक को खिलाया था यार. वो कोई प्रोजेक्ट थोड़ा हुआ.
तो you had made money और मेरा पहले.
So the first project was NIS Computers. So she's
This
lost
is
it.
this wrong. It's just not fair. अच्छा just don't be ज़्यादा दूर की मत मारना please.
Okay.
अरे hello, my turn now.
अच्छा.
One by one. Yeah. Okay. मैं बहुत easy जा रही हूँ. Okay. I'm not like him. ऐसे change कर देंगे. So my first question is, which grade, which class, which standard was I in जब मैं लखनऊ से मुंबई शिफ्ट हुई थी? तो कितना सिंपल है. अरे
7th.
2.
7th grade.
ओके कम. आंसर मेरा भी ठीक था बाय द वे.
Second question. So you need to tell me what was the movie that we saw on a date night at my place.
Oh, I know this. I am 100% sure unless he changes his answer. I don't know. Like he can say anything. Love actually. Love ने ऐसे ही थी. एक सिंगर नाम just thinking.
1 tick tick 1.
It was like a lot of stories, na? Something like that, na?
Tick tick 4.
अरे love actually थी. Don't
5.
like under. I love actually.
Final answer. Final answer. जल्दी last.
Love actually. Oh shit.
Correct.
चलो देखा ऐसे. Then don't ऐसे कर. Don't do the ना. So then I would think मेरा phone बंद हो गया. एक second. Sorry. Okay. I know the. Which is the thing I detest. I hate the most to eat. There is one thing. I am a very good eater. There's one thing I hate eating. तो इतना simple question है ना. Should know. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Tick tick 4. Four नहीं हुआ. Tick tick. You will now get a whack if you don't say it because it's tick tick 5. Just say anything. I can't give you more time. Tick tick 5. तो हो गया time then. अरे say one thing at least. I want to know. चलो गया. अब तो गया वैसे भी right है wrong. आ जाओ. Oh, wrong hand. बदला.
You have to tell me the answer also.
हाँ, I'll tell you. अरे शलगम, turnip.
अच्छा.
You know this, na? You just
Kind of. No, I don't. I didn't remember. Actually.
You've seen my this thing answer, no?
Okay. So, which city did we travel together for the first time?
ये तो बहुत सिंपल है, पुणे। ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल था। Now, this is difficult. Now it's come to little difficulty level has gone up. As a child, I used to get teased. In school, they used to call me a name, like kids. You know how kids give each other funny names. What was that name? Tick tick 1,
Shit.
tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4,
Tiddy.
tick tick 5. You come here.
What is the name?
I'll tell you. It was chicken tikka. Anantika, chicken tikka. I've told you this. I've told you.
Okay. Yeah. Acha.
Hmm.
So, I wanted to be a cricketer, right?
Haan.
Then an actor. If not an actor, then what would I be?
But you, cricketer only na? You said.
पहले तो क्रिकेटर नहीं तो चलो एक्टर नहीं तो नेक्स्ट में अगर एक्टर नहीं बनता
Singer.
टिक टिक 1
Singer यार हो गया. All tick ticks are over. Singer. नहीं.
मैं इतना सोच ही नहीं पाता इतना सोचता भी नहीं हूँ आई ऑलवेज टेल यू कि इतना तो मैं सोचता नहीं तब की तब दिखी जाती मैंने कभी सिंगर बोला ही नहीं
तो क्या है आंसर?
यही कि didn't think
अरे ये क्या आंसर हो रहा है यार? This is like
never thought about it I have always told you correct है
cheating.
यार
Listen.
मेरे तो 4 ही क्वेश्चन हुए हैं पांचवा क्या है
Make it up now. I don't know with the answer. But honestly, this is cheating. Please, if you're watching it,
okay
just say if he's cheating or not. Okay, this
No, I'm
was
not.
cheating.
I've always
ऐसे
told you
क्या है?
I've always told you कि मैं सोचता
No,
ही
I
नहीं
asked you the other day when we were driving.
You were
So
giving me
you-
options, singer, dancer, whatever.
But you said you wanted to be a
What's your
cricketer.
question?
One second, wait now. Okay. When did I first appear on television?
So I think you came in
Uh,
कौन
tick,
बनेगा
tick,
करोड़पति as
tick two.
as an audience.
As an audience.
Right.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. I think that's right.
Okay, last question. At what age did I come to Bombay? How old
You
was
came to Bombay. Age बोलूँ या year बोलूँ? I can't.
Age.
I'll have to calculate.
Age.
So you when you 19, 19. So you must have been 24. Oh, 19. What was it?
23.
But how? Maybe what month did you come in? Let's calculate.
October.
So you must
अरे
have.
मुझे पता होगा
अरे-
23 ना.
So one
So
second.
दिसंबर में कब 24 what? 24 तो आप अपने
अच्छा।
बर्थडे पे ही होते हो ना?
Mine. How many? Oh, this I'm not even gonna. How many tattoos do I have? Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3,
8.
tick tick. ये तो मतलब
7.
हद है. अब क्या? अब नहीं कुछ होगा.
अरे तो अभी तो टाइम ही नहीं खत्म हुआ.
अरे
टिक टिक 1 2 3 4
हाँ तो 3 हो गया था. टिक टिक 4,
7.
टिक टिक 5 गलत है ना फिर भी. I have 11.
So equal 3 3 हो गया ना?
कैसे? वो आपने चीटिंग की है. विनर तो मैं ही हूँ.
3 all.
So we should have a tie break. Okay, I'll ask something. Which was the first? When is the first time I've only actually won something once in my life, like only victory I've had in my life. What was that thing? What was that only time I have won something? And that also like publicly I won something. The only time I've really won something. Like that's how sad my
Housing?
long. Oh, wow, yaar. Where was it?
I don't know. You must have won somewhere. You asked
No,
me where.
tell
what?
me
Arey,
properly.
you the answer was housing. That's correct.
It
Now
is.
you can't tell me where, what table was that in? Yeah.
Publicly, I said.
हाँ तो hello, but that was housing.
Let me just say, it was again on TV. There used to be Housey, used to come long time back on ZTV. I had won it on national television. I had won Housey, top row or one of the rows, 1,000 rupees. Yeah. Now you ask.
Okay. So you need to tell me.
We can't just keep having tiebreakers.
which was my second TV commercial.
बहुत सेकंड कौन पूछता है? फर्स्ट बोलो.
अरे फर्स्ट तो उनको पता होता है, सेकंड में होना चाहिए.
किटकैट किटकैट. अरे बात नहीं बात नॉट किटकैट. किटकैट नहीं है तो फिर वो डाबर का तेल.
टिक टिक 1.
अगर किटकैट राइट हुआ तो आप वो नहीं कर सकते. एक सेकंड उसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा स्लो यार. दिस इज टाई ब्रेकर. 10 तक देना. एक सेकंड आप यू वेस्टेड माय टाइम एट मी टॉकिंग. नहीं एक सेकंड.
टिक 8. टिक 9.
वॉश अलोंग.
टिक 10. ये हुई ना बात. It was for Pepsi.
That was the second ad, but that was a big ad, na? I thought it would have come after a while.
No, so it was the second. So yeah, we're done with
So
this
हमने
Thappa
काफी-
edition of As You Like It.
Telling you, this is
So I won. I clearly won. And what else?
बस कुछ नहीं तो मिल गई किसी आप जीते.
So yes, I won. And thanks for watching us. And if you like us to do something, tell us.
चलो. See you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye bye.